Help?
Yes.
You need help?
Don't be cool, dude. Just tear into it. Help me.
I think you need help. What is it, guys? Take it out. Oh. Do you know what it is? Nice. Do you know what it is, Colton? A sleeping bag. Cool. Wow!
Like ours.
Yeah, come here. What do you tell Grandma and Grandpa?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Aww.
You can lay them out, and you can then color with your stuff Jeff and Micah gave you. You all comfy? With help?
While Lily gets
Can you
dressed.
help?
I love y'all, but this
Yeah,
is my
they
night to get dressed. Just so you know.
As long as they take you with you.
They're taking me. I'm the one who wakes up in the morning.
Oh.
Here's
Get in
Here's
there.
the pedal. Lay in there. Oh, lay the other way.
Other way. Put your feet here. Put
We'll
your
all
feet
have
in
to go camping this
All
spring.
right.
Put your feet. Put your feet
Got
in.
2 more for our wilderness trip, Chad.
Yeah, you gotta go night-night in there.
That could be our pack animal.
Yeah. The other people
Let
have
Daddy
goats.
show you.
Yeah, listen to these guys.
About the size of goats by the time we go.
See?
Open her up.
Maybe now you can have Colton's bed, right, Lisa?
That's right. I've become
Good
quite
night,
fond of
night.
the
Good
pull-up
night,
thingy.
Go night-night.
Took me a while to get used to the noises the fireplace thingy made. Now it's all good.
You want help, Colton?
Can you grab it inside there? Pull. Pull it out.
Cool. Let's see yours.
New car.
Ah.
One more? Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Oh.
nice. Crawl in.
Cool.
Crawl in. Don't do it all. Don't do it all. You crawl in there. And I can zip it back up.
You know, the
Your
last
first
time,
sleeping bag.
Night, night.
Colton, the last time Jeff and I were in our sleeping bags, a bear attacked us.
I'm going to zip it up for you, Colton. There you go.
So we're going to take you to, for bait.
Can you wave? Say Merry Christmas.
Close.
Pretty cool, huh, Colton?
Crawl down in there. Oh, none too big.
Good night.
Foot right there. Good.